Okay, let's install and configure the Windows client for OwnCloud. First of all, we need to go to owncloud.org. Here we click Download. And here you can see the section named Sync Your Data. We click Desktop Clients. And here you can see the pre-selected option for your current operating system. In this case, it is Windows. We click this button to download the client. We need to wait a little bit. After the client is downloaded, we will start the installation. And I'm sorry, my interface is in Russian, but I will translate everything. We click Next. Here you can choose the installation option. Let's choose the custom option. Then we leave everything selected. Click Next. Here you can choose the path for the program to be installed. We will leave it by default. Now the program will be installed. After it is installed and started, first thing we need to configure is the address of your own cloud server. Here you type in the same address you used to access your web interface. You click Next and you have the warning about the self-issued certificate. It is okay. We choose to always trust this certificate and click OK. Then we need to type in our username and password. Then we click Next. Here, you can choose to sync all your data with the server, or you can choose to sync only some objects. And the next option is to select where you want your own cloud files to be kept, in what directory. I prefer to leave everything by default. And on the final page, you can choose to open your own cloud in the browser or open your local folder with your own cloud files. Let's open the local folder. And as you can see, you already have the same folders that you have in your web interface. Okay, now let's go to Client Options. And here the only option you really want to select is to run the OwnCloud client every time your computer starts up. All the rest options are really intuitive and really optional. You wanna go through them and change them if you want to.